The propeller has been our only source of unsolved problems. It's a Czechoslovakian wood comp propeller. It is not into scale, but it is a 200 horsepower propeller, and it works extremely well if it would only select fine pitch when I want it and cruise pitch when I want it also. The problem is that the little electric motor is just not powerful enough to counter the centrifugal turning moment of the airflow, which wants to make the pitch go into fine pitch all the time, and I can't get a coarse cruise. So at the moment, through there, I have locked it at a fixed pitch, and I now have a compromise takeoff roll, compromise climb, and cruise. I'm climbing at I have to climb at 100 knots. At that speed, I'm achieving 1,000 to 1,200 feet a minute climb, and the cruise, I have 150 miles an hour cruise at 21 inches of manifold pressure. You will notice that I have wheel doors. I shall put them down so that we can look at the undercarriage. The purpose of the wheel doors were to maintain a steady flow through the radiator, cut down the noise, and improve the performance. As far as I'm able to tell, I get a 20% increase in the climb rate with the doors closed than without them. It's actuated by a linear actuator, limiting switches both up and down, connected to the wheel doors through this pin. This is a Murphy pin which is able to be pulled from in the cockpit if I lose electric power or for some reason I've lost my electrics actuator. This is a wire, a Murphy wire, which in the cockpit gives me the indication of whether the doors are up or down. A feature of the door which I have had to design into it is that it has a concave surface. The earlier ones I had a convex and it was sucking the doors open at V&E. This one with the curve the opposite way actually holds the door up. We have a normal hydraulic system, except that our hydraulics are plumbed in aluminium tubing. Everything else is normal in the machine, and when I get the propeller sorted out, I'll have to think of something else to do to make it so I can fiddle with it. And I think that will be the nose cone and the nose cowling to make it look a little bit more authentic. Catch you.